In this quick video, I'll show you how to change name of YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to change our channel name, firstly we need to go to our channel page. For that we can simply click on our channel icon, then go to your channel by simply clicking on view your channel. Make sure to select your correct channel. Then simply you can click on this icon which says customize channel. Then go to basic info just like so, and now we can simply change our channel name to whatever we like. But before changing your channel name, make sure to read this which says changes made to your name and picture are visible only on YouTube and not to other Google services. You can change your channel name twice in 14 days. And now you can simply change your channel name. I will simply change it to tutorial advanced. To save it, I just need to click on publish, and now it says changes publish. Go to your channel. Now I can simply go to my channel and you can see my channel name has been changed. It will take a moment to load, but it will save your changes. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel and also like this video. Thanks for watching.